Beautiful people, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another beautiful day. As you can see, painting start. So we're there with the general, Brocky. You don't know. He was the one who painted Sax House. I want to see how that turned out beautiful and nice. So I am going to start out the painting on the house right now. See? So you might really start with the, what you call them? Board?
Fascia board.
With the fascia board.
Yeah.
And then when him left here, so he might go inside. See? So him almost finished. You don't know, him might go right round and things so we're gonna see, you know, the process and how everything come down. As I say, we have all of the paint and everything ready already. And in general there, we just do the work. You see me? We still there contemplate, you know, what the next move as it relates to the house and thing, but we are make Father God lead. You see me? Yeah, man. I just that me have to say. As I say, we are shut up at Airbnb starting September. You see me? We actually start working and, well, start painting, you know, the house. What we are doing now, we are painting. Painter actually start working yesterday. And then, you don't know, we're going to put in door and thing, build bathroom and thing. With that being said, people, that is it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. The team, as I say, we gone back to basic and we just work our way, you know, in stages. Because you don't know what make you know, you know, what Colaz TV is all about.
Since this individual started YouTube, I can tell he has been an inspiration to so many other upcoming YouTubers, and so many individuals are following in his, trying to create a platform that is so authentic and just so real, giving you the real life situation of what it's like to just live out there, live in the open, cook in the open, and just be natural as much as possible. And these are the things that people like to see on social media, especially on the platform of YouTube. So when you see Colaz TV going out there and producing these videos, it take a whole lot from him. It take a whole lot from the team to actually be putting out these videos. And when he's getting the backlash from these individuals that were a part of his team, it's just so sad. But guess what? This individual, I know he's not going to let this thing get him down. As you can see, he has started back on the road. He's going back from the ground, he said, and actually just doing his videos where this all started in the beginning. And it just goes to show that he's a persistent individual, and no matter what people say or try to do, this man will continue to be one of those individuals that will continue to excel and just continue to grow and build his platform beyond what many people expect it to be. But Colaz TV is one of those channels that I've watched, and so many other people can just relate to how interesting and how intrigued they are to watch these videos when they are posted daily. I am one of those subscribers that continue to return to watch Colaz videos when they are posted on a daily or weekly basis, no matter how many videos he posts. I always try my best to keep up what is going on with, what the team is up to, what they're doing, what's the next project that is from the roots of our culture and our own land of birth, which is Jamaica. So the other day when I saw the whole entire thing being blown up on social media with the whole entire argument, trust me, that made me feel so bad about what I saw transpiring with the whole entire thing. And it's just so sad to see what manifested itself on social media with the whole entire cursing and how the whole entire thing went down, knowing that Colaz TV had good in his heart for ground God, and how this thing just escalated into something big online. But this is not the first, this is not the last, this is going to happen. These situations have been happening over and over, especially to YouTubers that try to help others at times. We have seen it playing out with other YouTubers online, and some of them spilled over into some whole entire different drama online with people just arguing, and it doesn't look good for the whole entire team itself. It doesn't look good for the channel, and it's very good to see that he has passed this and just moving on to greater heights in his channel and also his life itself. But the team member stood by him throughout, and that is why I said this team is a very good team, and I like how the team just stood by him and they just tried their very best not to over exaggerated the situation online, especially when they did their individual videos. And so it just goes to show you that this team is a very good team that is working with Colaz TV. And I just want to wish this individual all the best in his ventures and all the best in his adventures as he pushes his channel to the forefront of the world and spread the culture of Jamaica. This is my take on the whole entire situation though. Thanks for watching and peace out and have a blessed day.